Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to launch your course for free on Systeme.io. Now, as you can see, Systeme.io is probably the best and easiest to use all-in-one marketing platform for your course and really for anything else. So as you can see right here, it's free forever. Obviously, if you have a free plan, it's completely free. If you go here to pricing, we can see that for the free pricing, which is $0 a month, you can do a lot of different things as well as host one course. Now, not a lot of people know, but you can actually go and host one course on Systeme.io or Systeme.io. Now, you can also do a lot of different things, A/B tests. You have PayPal integration, Stripe integration, so people can pay you via PayPal and Stripe, which is great. You can collect, with Stripe, credit card and debit card information, and with PayPal, you can just, have that enabled on your checkout as well. You can also run your affiliate program. You have 24/7 email support. Overall, Systeme.io has a very, very great I would say, a very great ecosystem when it comes to launching your course for free. So, all you have to do is get a free account and get started for free. As you can see, this is annual pricing and monthly pricing if you want to opt in for startup or webinar. But let's just go here, get my free account. And here, as you can see, all you have to do is just enter your email address. From there, you will be able to get started for free. Now, as you can see, obviously, you can go and you can, get a lot of different things. They are a sales funnel company. That's why they have great upsells here, as you can see. But overall, all you have to do is just go here, and as you can see here, you can basically go with a free trial first. What I would do is, as you can see, complete the form below to take advantage of this 40% discount. This is an exclusive welcome form that you won't find anywhere else on the website. So as you can see right here, you need to confirm your address. So all you have to do is just go to your email and confirm the address. So let me do just that. Now, once you confirm your email, you will be brought to this page. Obviously, you will need to go and create a password for your account. And then all you have to do is you have to go to your products right here. You have products, physical products, orders, coupons, courses. You go to courses, and here you can simply add a new course. Now, there are a couple of things you can do: course title, instructor name, description, course domain, theme of the domain, what theme you want. You have green, purple, teal, whatever you want. And here you can also have embedded HTML and JS. That is how easy it is to launch your course for free on Systeme.io. Obviously, if you want a more in-depth tutorial, I can create that for you. Now, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.